Hey everyone, welcome back. So in this video we are going to talk about the Flashback Express file recorder. So if you are looking for a recorder which is free of cost, so Flashback recorder is a good option I can suggest. Okay. So in this video I am going to talk about how to record with the help of this Flashback file recorder, and one more thing which is important is the flashback file recorder is coming with a inbuilt video editor, so they are providing the recorder suite and the video editing suite as well. So you can actually edit the video there, and you can change the quality of video and do some of other things as well. So there are bunch of stuffs which you can play with your video. So I will explain all those things. And before moving to the next part, so I will request you guys, so if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and hit the like button so that you won't miss any notification from our channel. Okay, so I will just I have started already. So if you want to record the video, then what you can do is you just download this flashback file recorder from the link which I have given in the description. So you just hit on that link and it will move you to the official website of this flashback file recorder basically. So you can download the zip file there, and then once you click on the executable file, it will be downloaded. So for that I've made a separate video to, so how to download, you can check that video. Okay, so in this video how we will use that one, let us see. So I will just actually I'm recording with this flashback file recorder itself. So as you can see here, this recorder is on. Okay, so once you exit or install this flashback file recorder, the icon will be created on the desktop. So if you double click on that one to start recording, you have to double click on that one. Okay, so once you double click, then now it is showing flashback file recorder is already running. Can you see it's in window? So I should press yes. So this is the interface, how it looks like. Okay, so as I am already recording, it is showing me like this. If I am not recording, then it could have shown me other interface where it will be showing like record and some other features it will be showing. Okay, so I'll just minimize this one, and let me just write something on the notepad. So uh, here we will see um, how to record using flashback express record. So this is the topic which we are discussing, so I'm just writing this one. And if I this is how you can use different types of things, and you can move to any app, it will be recording as it is. Okay, so there is no doubt in that one. So now if you want to stop the recording, what you can do is you just you can press shift control s, so that is to stop the recording, or else you can use like you can go here and right click on this one, and as you can see two options here. So pause, that is shift control a is the shortcut, and stop, shift control s is the shortcut. So you can actually pause or stop according to your convenience. So if you want to take some rest and resume your recording, then you can do pausing the video, or you can pause right now and you can execute, or you can resume later on. So this is free of cost, guys. And once you just close this one, or you just end the recording, then it will prompt to a new window. So I will show in the next part. Okay, so I hope you like this video, and do click the subscribe button. Thank you, thanks for watching.